Hello students, at last lecture we have seen the nomenclature of amines, that is primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amine. Today we are going to study methods of preparations of amines. Then first of all, first method, that is by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. This is also called as alkylation of amine. Alkylation of amines means this is the method of breaking of CX bond by ammonia is called as ammonolysis. In this reaction, alkyl halide, that is RX, if react with excess of alcoholic ammonia at 373 Kelvin, then it gives primary amine, that means RNH2. This reaction is carried out in a seal tube at 373 Kelvin and excess of ammonia, hence this primary amine is again react with alkyl halides. Primary amine again react with alkyl halides and it gives secondary amine in second step. Again this secondary amine react with third molecule of alkyl halide and it gives tertiary amine, that is R3N. Again this tertiary amine react with fourth molecule of alkyl halides, that is RX, and it gives salt. It is called as quaternary ammonium salt. In this way, in this method, it forms primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and at last quaternary ammonium salt. Then second method, reduction of nitro compound. Reduction of nitro compound. This reduction is carried out in two ways. Then first of all, that is nitroalkane RNO2 plus hydrogen in presence of tin and HCl or iron and HCl or zinc and HCl, that is metal and acid, then it gives RNH2, that means primary amine. It gives 6 nascent hydrogen atom for the preparation of this primary amine. This RNO2, for example, suppose here nitromethane. If we take here CH3Na2, nitromethane, then it gives with this tin and HCl or iron and HCl or zinc and HCl, that is primary amine, that is CH3NH2, that is methyl amine. In this way, any amines, primary amines is prepared by this reduction method. Then which is second reduction method, that is again RNO2. This is called as catalytic reduction plus H2 in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium, or also lithium aluminum hydride in ether. This reduction is carried out in two ways, in presence of catalyst nickel, platinum or palladium or lithium aluminum hydride. Then it gives again RNH2, means primary amine plus H2O. Again suppose here we take in place of R CH3CH2, that means nitroethane. If this nitroethane react with nickel, platinum or palladium or lithium aluminum hydride, then it gives which compound here, CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethyl amine or ethanamine. In this way, this is second method, reduction of nitro compounds. Then third, this is also reduction method, reduction of alkyl cyanide. Reduction of alkyl cyanide, or it is also called as alkane nitrile. Reduction of alkane nitrile. Then functional group of cyanide is CN, C triple bond N. Then general reaction here, that is R C triple bond N. This is called as alkyl cyanide. If this alkyl cyanide is react with sodium and ethyl alcohol or also lithium aluminum hydride, it gives 4 nascent hydrogen atom. It gives 4 nascent hydrogen atom, and this 4 hydrogen atom is react with this cyanide group. 2 hydrogen atom get attached on this carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom on this nitrogen atom. This carbon nitrogen triple bond breaks here and it gives RCH2NH2. For example, suppose CH3C triple bond N. Name of this compound is, that is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide or methane nitrile. Methyl cyanide or methane nitrile. If this react with sodium and ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride, again it react with 4 nascent hydrogen atom and it gives which compound? That is CH3CH2NH2. That is again here amine is ethyl amine or ethanamine. Then in this method we get here ethyl amine from methyl cyanide. That means one carbon atom in this compound, carbon atom are same as in reactant and in product. The next reaction, that is next method of preparation by reduction of amide. This is also for preparation of alkyl amine by reduction method. In this reaction, that is amide having functional group CONH2. Then general reaction RCONH2 plus 4 hydrogen atom, 4 nascent hydrogen atom. These are given by lithium aluminum hydride in ether, lithium aluminum hydride in ether, or sodium and C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Again it gives primary amine RCH2NH2. In this reaction, reduction of this carbonyl group takes place. That means out of these 4 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom get attached on this carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom forms water molecule from this oxygen atom and it forms here, that is primary amine. For example, suppose CH3CONH2. Name of this amide is acetamide. Here CH3 group. Hence name of this compound is acetamide. This acetamide, if react with lithium aluminum hydride in ether or sodium and ethyl alcohol, then it gives here ethyl amine, that is CH3CH2NH2. This is also called as ethanamide. Then next method, it is called as Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Then this is synthesis, this is method for preparation of primary amine. This method for preparation of primary amine. This method is, this process is carried out in 3 steps, which is first step, that is formation of potassium thalamide, that is potassium salt of thalamide from thalamide. Potassium salt of thalamide from thalamide. Here this structure, this compound is called as thalamide. That means amide of phthalic acid, hence it is called as thalamide. This thalamide, if react with, that is alkaline KOH. That means this is reduction method, reduction with alkaline KOH, then it forms potassium thalamide. In this reaction, this hydrogen atom which is attached on this nitrogen atom get replaced by potassium K plus and it forms salt. It is called as potassium salt of thalamide. Then second step, that is formation of N-alkyl thalamide. Formation of N-alkyl thalamide from potassium salt of thalamide. That means this potassium salt of thalamide which is prepared in first step, this potassium thalamide, it is also called as potassium salt of thalamide. This potassium salt of thalamide, if react with alkyl halides, suppose RX, if react with alkyl halides, it eliminates potassium halide. That means this potassium which is attached on this nitrogen atom, this get replaced by alkyl group. This get replaced by alkyl group and it forms N-alkyl thalamide from potassium salt of thalamide. Then in third step, that is formation of sodium phthalate and primary amine. Then this N-alkyl phthalimide, which is prepared in the second step. N-alkyl phthalimide, which is prepared in second step, this get converted by reaction with, that is alcoholic aqueous NaOH, and it gives sodium phthalate. In this reaction, this compound, this carbonyl carbon atom get attached to on this 2 ONA group, and it forms, that is sodium phthalate and plus RNH2. RNH2 means here again primary amine. Then suppose we are to prepare methylamine by this method. Then take here in second step, that is methyl halide. Suppose we take here CH3Br. Then it forms which compound here? That is we take here CH3Br. Then it eliminates, that is potassium bromide, and it forms here, that is N-alkyl phthalimide. That means N-methyl phthalimide. And in third step, we get here primary amine, that is methylamine. In this way, in second step, that is in Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, formation of primary amine. The next method by haloform degradation. This is called as by haloform degradation. This is also called as, that is Hofmann's rearrangement reaction. Hofmann's rearrangement reaction, or it is also called as Hofmann's bromamide degradation. Hofmann's bromamide degradation, or this reaction is also called as Hofmann hypobromamide degradation. Hypobromamide degradation. There are 4 different names for this reaction. That means Hofmann's bromamide degradation. In this reaction, that means amide. Again here, amide is react with bromine and aqueous potassium hydroxide. That means amide is react with, this is amide is react with bromine and aqueous potassium hydroxide. Then on heating, it gives primary amine. That means this R and NH2. It forms primary amine plus potassium bromide. This potassium and bromine, it forms potassium bromide and potassium carbonate. This K, and here carbonyl group, it forms potassium carbonate plus water molecule, that is twice H2O. In this reaction, bromine and amide react and it forms primary amine, hence it is called as bromamide degradation. Bromine and amide react with each other and it forms primary amine, hence it is called as bromamide degradation. For example, suppose here in place of R, we take here CH3, then the name of this compound is, that is methanamide or methylamide. If this react with bromine and potassium hydroxide, that is aqueous potassium hydroxide, then on heating it forms CH3NH2. CH3, that means this CH3 group and this NH2 group, it forms CH3NH2, that is called as methylamine plus again twice KBr, potassium bromide and potassium carbonate. In this way, it forms methylamine. Suppose we are to prepare ethylamine by using this Hofmann's bromamide degradation. Then for this reaction, we have to take here CH3CH2, CO NH2, that is ethylamide or ethanamide. Name of this compound is ethylamide or ethanamide, plus again here bromine plus KOH. Then on heating, it gives which compound? That is CH3CH2 NH2 plus again twice KBr plus twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus H2O. In this way, it also gives ethylamide. That means any primary amine, for preparation of primary amine, this method, it is called as Hofmann's bromamide degradation. In this way, there are 6 methods for preparation of amine, which is first that is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide, it is called as alkylation of ammonia. Second one, reduction of nitro compounds. Third one, reduction of alkyl cyanide, or it is also called as reduction of alkane nitrile. Fourth one, by reduction of amide. Fifth one, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Then sixth one, by haloform degradation, or it is also called as Hofmann bromamide degradation. In this way, this reaction, these are 6 methods for preparation of, that is, primary amine. Now today we will stop here. Thank you for watching video.